Meanwhile, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's trajectory reveals a dramatic decline in stature and influence. Sanapena mashoko akubuda nchitagona vanhu zvinzi aiwa panguva inoi VP aiwa havasisina chimiro vasina kana influence, maallies avo ese akadestroyiwa, vangosara vari ngorivo ivo nefamily yavo. Sanapena mashoko akubuda nyogwa panapa anoti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipita panapa mzimu ai akubuda nyora vachiti. Once celebrated as the military general who orchestrated the 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, Chiwenga now finds himself reduced to what some observers describe as a precap farm pet. This term, charged with a symbolic weight, reflects the sharp contrast between his past as a military strongman and his current diminished role under Mnangagwa's leadership. This stark reduction is seen as deliberate, orchestrated by Mnangagwa to neutralize Chiwenga as a political threat. Chiwenga's focus on personal and legal battles, including his estranged wife's high-profile court cases, has further eroded his political influence. Moreover, this development confirms the enduring effectiveness of intelligence operations over military might in consolidating power. Mnangagwa, often accused of being master strategist, has long been shadowed by reports alleging his ties to Rhodesian intelligence since his entry into Zambian structures in 1977. The juxtaposition of Mnangagwa's strategic maneuvers and Chiwenga's reduced role raises serious concerns about Zimbabwe's future. Mnangagwa's consolidation of power, underpinned by alleged intelligence connections and strategic manipulation, risks eroding democratic norms and entrenching authoritarianism. Ndo mashoko anobuda panapa, vanhu vachiti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe aiwa isimbori republic, panapa yatova authoritarian, panapa vatiri kuona kuti aiwa vakomana vethe regime aiwa ndo vakutongotonga, vakomana vana Idi Mnangagwa ndo vatongova mupower kusvika nokusingaperi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tiona VP vachirejusiwa, zvinotoshamisa, zvinotodesa chaizvo. Tudze mafungiro enyu pene kumasection vedu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell.